You know what you're doing, bro?
Huh?
You know what you're doing, bro?
Yeah, bro, we cut it.
You know what you cutting?
Yeah,
The ceiling. Alright, so bro said he want me to get some before and after of this shit, so we just gonna do this shit just like this. I'm gonna point y'all here. This is the ceiling and the floorboards that we putting in. This is the master suite. He can put a TV right here, but all the furniture is in here because we're currently working on this part. What I'm jealous about is, I'm gonna say I'm jealous. I'm definitely jealous. He got a fucking tub. My shit don't have a tub, bro. I just got a shower, bro. I'm jealous. I might have to get one of these tubs. I like that. It's definitely right. Toilet over here, full-size bathroom and this shit. But this is the area that we working on right now. New refrigerator, where we probably won't be using. We working on redoing the ceilings and redoing the woodwork. One panel already up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but new electric.
Empty as apartment basements. This a marathon, gentlemen. Go ahead and start the races. Save the confidence bases.
All this is coming out and get redid. All this. So yeah, that all that's coming out. I don't know if we upgrading that, but cabinets. And he act like he out here know what the fuck he doing. So
bro. I'm the tool man, bro. I get tools.
that's all you good for is handling tools to somebody else that know how to work them.
I'm certified in that, bro.
That's all you good at, bro. Just hold the tools. I just put some footage on my YouTube, man. I don't do too much footage. I'm kind of pissed that I ain't got none of my truck build on my YouTube channel. But that's coming soon too, y'all. It's coming soon. This bro camper. What's your foot size, bro? What's it, 32?
Yeah, 30.
30 foot trailer camper. You know, this is the first build, bro working on his first. And we'll be working on mine next. Well, ours next. Not mine. Yeah, y'all see it. Big windows on his shit. I don't even know the size of the windows is on ours, bro. Slide out. This before and after, you know. Give y'all a full walk around. Let me get up in here and help them. You know they rookies. I gotta get in here and do my job. And I become a ghost of what I once was. I got one love, I got one life, but I don't even give a fuck about the sunrise. And if I die tonight, it's sweet.